Swelling in the feet and legs, also known as edema, can be caused by various factors such as prolonged standing, poor circulation, high salt intake, and certain medical conditions. Incorporating specific nutrients into your diet can help reduce inflammation and improve circulation, thus alleviating swelling. Here are 7 of the best nutrients to consider. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. They help reduce the production of inflammatory molecules and have been shown to alleviate symptoms of chronic inflammation. Good sources of omega-3 fatty acids include fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. 2. Magnesium. Magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle and nerve function, and it also helps reduce inflammation and fluid retention. A deficiency in magnesium can lead to increased inflammation and swelling. Foods rich in magnesium include leafy green vegetables, such as spinach and kale, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and legumes. 3. Potassium. Potassium helps balance the amount of sodium in your cells, promoting healthy fluid balance and reducing water retention. This can help decrease swelling in the feet and legs. Foods high in potassium include bananas, sweet potatoes, avocados, tomatoes, and oranges. 4. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also plays a role in collagen production, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood vessels and connective tissues. This can improve circulation and reduce swelling. Citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli are excellent sources of vitamin C. 5. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another potent antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and improve circulation. It also supports healthy skin and blood vessels, which can help alleviate swelling. You can find vitamin E in foods such as almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and olive oil. 6. Bromelain. Bromelain is an enzyme found in pineapples that has anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. It helps reduce swelling by breaking down proteins that can cause inflammation and fluid retention. Incorporating fresh pineapple into your diet or taking bromelain supplements can help reduce swelling in the feet and legs. 7. Flavonoids. Flavonoids are a group of plant compounds known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. They help strengthen blood vessels, improve circulation, and reduce swelling. Foods rich in flavonoids include berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, citrus fruits, onions, garlic, and dark chocolate. Incorporating these nutrients into your diet can help reduce swelling in the feet and legs by combating inflammation, improving circulation, and balancing fluid levels in the body. In addition to dietary changes, it's important to stay hydrated, exercise regularly, and avoid standing or sitting for prolonged periods. If swelling persists, it is advisable to consult a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions.